Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your message could not be delivered on Discord. So let's begin. And the reason why you're getting this message is because number one is you have slow internet connection or slow connectivity. So that means your message was really a coincidence when you try to send your message at the same time this happened. Okay, the slow connectivity. hmm And number two would be in regards to whom you send it. For example, it's a friend, a server, etc. If you were blocked by those users, that this message will actually show up. So you can message the servers or other friends. If it will go through, then great. We just need to crash out any other potential things that could be the culprit for this error. Okay, and then let me just check if you have. All right, guys. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.